Here's how to reinstall Steam without deleting your installed games. Close Steam completely. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder, usually located in Program Files. Inside the Steam folder, delete everything except the Steam Apps folder and steam.exe. This preserves all installed games. Next, download the latest Steam installer from the official Steam website. Run the installer and install Steam in the same folder location. Once installation completes, open Steam and sign in. Steam will automatically detect your existing games without re-downloading them. After reinstalling Steam this way, your games remain intact and Steam runs fresh. Subscribe for more Steam and PC troubleshooting guides.